Engaging air to lower. Use a wrench to remove the clamps. Move clamp from the bottom of the assembly. Pull gasket out of body. Been working off the second clamp. Actuate the valve. At this point, you're ready to begin loosening the stem. First, you're going to need to remove the C-clamp. Now that the C-clamp has been removed, we are ready to pull the stem out, as well as the rest of the valve body, and we can move on to the actuator. Actuate it, remove gasket ring, actuate again, remove air supply. At this point, we're ready to pull the retention clip out, and may need a second pair of hands. Rotate it until it is fully loose. It helps to have a flange plate made up with T's to pull this off. This is a special CSE rig that they made up. Pull the body off. Remove flange. Remove piston and spring, and lightly tap the spring with a hammer and let it loosen it from the piston. At this point, we're ready to begin taking apart the stem. This may be hard as Loctite was applied when we assembled it. Once the stem has been broken down, we only have the O-rings to remove from the bodies of the actuator housing. Using a screwdriver, lightly pry them out. Locate the piston, take O-ring off of the piston. Upper body of the actuator housing, remove O-ring from that. And that is how you disassemble a CSE LL type divert valve. Air to raise, spring to return.